to my channel. Today's video is going to show you how I'm doing these face masks, because now, even though it doesn't protect you completely, but there are a shortage of this mask with the pandemic going on. The city that I live on requires you to wear at least some kind of a fabric mask on, and I made this one. This one is in the size children 3 to 6, I think, and it has like all of it is cotton fabric. So there's one cotton fabric here, one type of cotton fabric, and on the other side I'm using flannel, and then inside of the fabric I'm using these wipes from Arm & Hammer. These ones I got it at the 99-cent store. It does have six of them, and they're the big ones. But filter that I put inside of the mask, and for the headband, for the elastic thing here to put it, I cannot find no more elastic, and or it arrives very like in 3 weeks if I ordered it from any other online store. And I got these here. I have a bunch of them. These ones are the thinner ones. I got it from the bigger ones, which are like thicker ones for like adults, I would say. I use those tiny ones for the kids one, and this one are 18. They also have colorful ones. I got this black one. I'm going to be showing you how I did this. I got gonna sew this right at the edge over here of our thing here, right on the top. Now our wire, now it's in there and it's secure, so whenever the nose goes in there we can do that. I'm gonna cut just a little bit here because I have excess right there. So now we're gonna get that. Now we have that. Now we're gonna put our liner, and this is what I'm using for the inside, the wipes from the Arm & Hammer thing. So I'm just gonna cut a piece of this. Get our inside of our liner here, and then put inside the other one. So make sure that the bad part, the inside out part, is out, and your inside, like both of your pretty sides are facing each other. So when we take it out, they both come out and have the pretty side in one end. So now we're going to sew. Now we're gonna sew the long sides and then leave this till the end. Now we go inside. We grab, and then now we go inside out. Right here we can feel our wire there for our nose to shape it up. Make sure everything is nice and out. The filter wouldn't move because we sew it together, so it's easy. Right here. I'm going to grab 2 rubber bands from here, 2 rubber bands, and now this rubber band, you see we have this excess of fabric here that's supposed to be for a seam or anything like that. I'm going to pull it, make sure everything's out, and now look at this. We have this seam here, and now we're gonna put our rubber band right inside, just like this, and pull it. Hopefully you guys could see. Pull it to where your line where you sew is, and just simply try to bend like this, and then you make this little seam now here, and now we're gonna sew here. Our hairband, I was gonna say, our mask right here with our hairbands. Now, if you have little tiny if you have tiny ears like mine, it'll be a little bit difficult, but you can easily put thread, like make a little ribbon kind of thing, and then yeah, we have the I ended up cutting the headband in half and then sewing the edges to the edges of the face mask, and it gave me a little bit more of elasticity, and it would hold on the ears a bit better, so I would recommend to do that. The wire here, simply ground it. I have earrings. And there you have it. It goes all the way to the chin. It covers here with the wire here. It helps a little bit kind of maintain it there. If it's too little, you can put 2 wires, but it keeps you nice and neat. I wish this work had the pattern kind of match, but they didn't. And yeah, there you go. How you do this face masks. This one is for women and teenage, and this is for little kids 3 to 5. You can see the difference in their little mouth, and it covers the same amount, just this is way further from the ears. But the inside it's flannel, so it's soft, and the outside it's just cotton fabric, and it's a little bit rougher, but yeah, that's how you do these face masks with hair bands. Hopefully you guys like this idea. Comment down below what I did wrong. If you have another idea that you want me to listen to, read it, then I could do so. And if that is all that I have for you guys today for the face masks. Hopefully you guys are staying healthy, and I will see you next time.